Lobster mushroom omelette this morning. Fried in avocado oil and butter. Couple of eggs. Pot of King Cole loose leaf tea. Nah. Boy, make me hungry already. Well, now those look pretty well fried up. Time to add a couple of grade A Canadian cackleberries. Maybe. Oh, gee. Oh well. There, well, such a lovely morning, I think I'll have 3. There you go. Yeah, made a mess again, Brenda. Oh well. Par for the course. A little bit more Jane's crazy mixed up salt. See you in a minute. Well, I'll tell you, that's pretty disgusting looking shite even by me standards, which I have very few of. Anyway, let's see what the disgusting stuff tastes like. Look at that, even smells like lobster. Oh man, that is so good. Lobster mushroom omelette, eggs. Definitely a do-over.